Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can force update to Android 13 on your Google Pixel devices, which includes the Pixel 6, 6a, 6 Pro, and the Pixel Force. So anything above the Pixel Force, you can force update to get the official update. So here it is. This is the Google Pixel 6a, and if I go into system update, and if I check for an update, it is telling me that there is no update available and my system is up to date. Here it is, Android version is 12. So how do you force update your Pixel device to Android 13? Go to Google Chrome, and herein we are going to search for something called Android 13 beta. Now, once you search for Android 13 beta, you will land on this page called Android Beta Program from Google. The direct link I will add in the description of this video. And once you're on this page, you will see the option to sign in. Now, we are going to select sign in over here and then use the same account to sign in with which you have signed in on your device. So let us select sign in, and as you can see, it is telling me I can continue with the same account which I have signed in with on the device. So here and I'm going to say continue. Now once you have signed in, all you need to do is scroll down and enroll in this program. So these are my eligible devices. You can see Pixel 5 is enrolled, but the Pixel 6a is not enrolled. All I need to select over here is opt in, and then make sure I check all these options, because that is how this confirm and enroll will be enabled. Once that is done, tap on that and say OK. Once the device has enrolled, we can go back into settings, and then we will go into system update and check for an update one more time, and bam, there it is. Security update is now available. Android 13 in the building. All you need to do is say download and install. And there it is, peeps. A very easy method of force updating your device, Pixel device, to Android 13 right now without access to a computer, without side loading. And that will do it for this one. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.